Nagendra P. Singh raises crucial points about goal setting. Do we set goals frequently, and what do they truly mean to us? Are goals merely attractive corporate jargon, or are they worth pursuing even if success isn't guaranteed? Many of us, including companies, set goals to energize ourselves and provide direction. However, setting goals is vastly different from achieving them. Some treat goal setting as a mere formality, lacking a clear plan for attainment. A personal anecdote illustrates this point. A friend of mine was enthusiastic about setting ambitious goals, such as selling 30 cycles daily and increasing it to 50. However, he faced unforeseen challenges, loan constraints, team issues, and changes in production technology. He struggled to adapt, leading to frustration and disappointment. The key takeaway is that goals should be broken down into manageable pieces, requiring daily vigilance, consistency, and discipline. Moreover, having smart, specific, measurable, attainable, time-bound, result-based goals is insufficient. What's crucial is changing one's attitude, mindset, and behavior. Without this transformation, goals remain elusive. In essence, goals are merely a starting point. Success lies in the daily actions, discipline, and commitment to achieving them. How do you ensure that your goals translate into tangible results? The goal attainment process is generally not envisaged very well, despite detailed goal setting. The attainment or result orientation is missing and is found to be very poor because goal setting becomes a mere paperwork. How do we convert our plan from paperweight to power of result orientation? It demands review and awareness of our behavior. Smart goal framework alone will not help unless we keep alert attention and be alive to its regular evaluation process. Things keep changing. Time and tides wait for none. Therefore, your goal must change to adapt with time, situations, and results. It is our mindset, character, attitude, and skills that demand serious attention to review our action points to help plan our excellence mission.